The Minister of National Unity and Civic Engagement, Dr. Jean Damascene Bizimana, notes that from 7th April, commemoration program will start at Kigali Genocide Memorial at Gisozi on the national level and in different villages all around the country. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, some of the activities will be suspended, like the commemoration walk.
Ku rwego rw'igihugu bizabera I Kigali ku rwibutso rwa Gisozi niho icyo gikorwa kizatangirizwa.
At the national level, the event will be held in Kigali, at the Kigali Genocide Memorial located at Gisozi and also in all villages. In the villages, residents will participate in the program of starting the commemoration period in every village. From 9 a.m. they will listen to a presentation, and we already sent out the presentations to different districts. After the discussions, the residents will share ideas about considering the status of where they live, either about measures to fight against genocidal ideologies, measures to see how to find solutions to problems that are affecting the unity of Rwandans, and from 12 p.m. they will follow the message of the day on radios and television, depending on what they can access. And it is usually known that there is a commemoration walk, and also a night vigil. But these won't be happening, and I want to emphasize this. We are still enforcing measures to protect ourselves from COVID-19, because during the walk people are very close to each other, so we decided to suspend the commemoration walk.
Byumvikane neza kubera ko turacyari mu bihe byo kwirinda COVID kandi y'abantu bagenda bari hamwe baba begeranye byagorana twasanze uyu mwaka urugendo rwo kwibuka twarwihorera.
Meanwhile, in various places around the country, preparations are ongoing for the commemoration week, a week with different activities of commemorating the genocide against the Tutsi. Different mayors note that preparations are progressing well.
We visited all memorial sites to see where cleaning activities are, and we also conducted community work in the form of umuganda at all memorial sites, and also renovating memorial sites which were damaged. We have already started, as is evident, but I encourage the youth to participate as it was planned, and also request the support of our parents and brothers to come, because we are building the same country, and the effects of a good country reach everyone, and also the effects of having a bad one affect everyone as well. I request the youth and Rwandans in general to participate in the activities as it was planned.
The youth is appealed to contribute to these activities and strive to know the real history of the country, as reiterated by François Nyamaskwa, the Deputy Coordinator of the National Youth Council. Because of the COVID-19, in the last 2 years, commemoration of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi was not being done as it used to be, with people gathering where their loved ones were killed. The Minister of National Unity and Civic Engagement, Dr. Jean Damascene Bizimana, points out that these activities will be done prepared by local authorities in collaboration with genocide survivors of those places, but taking into consideration the guidelines said to contain the spread of COVID-19.
Kwibukira ku ahiciwe abantu no ku nzibutso nabyo bizakorwa.
Commemorating at the locations where the atrocities were committed, and memorial sites will be done all over the country. And local residents will work with local authorities to this effect, considering the COVID-19 preventive measures in place, which means taking into consideration the number of people who are supposed to be at the events. Social distancing must be respected, as well as other measures. But we also prepared written guidelines, and tomorrow we will have an online discussion with local authorities at 10 a.m. to explain to them. And our advice is that the events should not exceed 2 hours, because when they take too long, incidents of trauma may arise and other problems that affect people's health. And we have already set the program, and it should be followed, and we request the planners to follow that program.
Turasaba abategura igikorwa cyo kwibuka ko iyo gahunda bazayikurikiza uko imeze.
The genocide against the Tutsi is being commemorated for the 28th time with the theme of Remember, Unite and Renew. Olive Nete, RTV News.